Hello everyone. Today let us know about the project Coconut Processing Inventory System. You can see the downloaded file here. Let's extract that here. You can see the file is being extracting. Once the file is extracted, you can see a project report which includes all the reports regarding this project, and the database backup file which includes the SQL file, and the complete project code which includes the PHP files and all the other files which are required for the execution of this website. Now let us copy this source code, which is the Coconut project, this file into C drive. In C drive, under XAMPP folder, in htdocs, let us copy this Coconut project, which is a source code, into XAMPP folder in htdocs. So let's paste this here. Once it is pasted here, you can execute your project. To that, you have to open the XAMPP control panel and click on Start for Apache and MySQL servers. Now let's copy the name of this file and let us open the browser. So in the browser, we have to paste localhost and the name of the source code, which is Coconut project. Now you can see your project, that is IndusBio projects, which is a Coconut processing inventory system. So this project is developed for coconut processing. The company will handle their inventory records, customer details, sales and purchase details, account details, product details, and employee details. The main concept of this project is the coconut processing company will purchase coconut from various sellers, and the company will produce oil, powder, and some other items using coconut. After the production, this company will sell the products to their clients or customers. So all the products which are produced from the coconut are sold to different customers and the clients. In the browser, let us type as localhost php myadmin. This is to open your MySQL database server. So under databases, write the database name, that is Coconut Processing Inventory System, which was in the database backup record. Same file name must be given. So click on import and click on choose file. Here in database backup, select the file and click on open. So this might take some time to upload the file. Click on go. So once the file has been uploaded, you can see import has been successfully finished, and you can see the different tables of the database. You can see 12 tables. Now let us click on account. Let us log in as admin. So the admin must log in using the login ID admin and the password admin. You can see a control panel which includes all the record details, and the admin can reset their password also. In add, under coconut type, here the admin can add the different types of coconuts. To add the various different type of coconuts, admin must mention the name of the coconut, price of that particular coconut, and description about the coconut type. Image and status of the coconut type must be chosen. So here the name of the coconut type is Maipan. Once the coconut type is added, under view, under coconut type, we can view the various coconut types present. So we can view Badam, red, white, Maipan. So these are the different coconut types. Under products in add, the admin can add the various products such as the products which are produced using the coconuts. So here the product name given is coconut water, and have to give the product code, and the image of the product must be selected. Then what is the selling price of that particular product must be mentioned, and along with that tax must also be mentioned. Then the quantity type must be mentioned. And the description should be given. Select the status as active and click on submit. So the record has been inserted successfully. This can be viewed under view in products, where the various different products can be viewed. It also has an action edit and delete. Under add in seller, here the admin can add the different sellers details by mentioning their name, their address, their phone number, mobile number and email ID. So here the phone number is not mandatory, but the rest of the details are mandatory. Once the seller record is inserted, it can be viewed in view under seller. So your various sellers of the company can be viewed here with all their personal details such as address, phone number, email ID. And the admin can also edit their details. Under customer in add, the admin can add the various customers who purchase the coconut products from them. So here, while adding the customer, they must mention the company name, the customer name, address, phone number, mobile number, email ID and status. So sellers are those who sell the coconuts to company, and customers are those who purchase the coconut products from the company. So the address, phone number, mobile number and email ID of the customer must be entered here. and then select the status as active and click on submit. On clicking on submit, the customer record will be inserted to the database. And under view in customer, the various customers of the company can be viewed along with their details such as address, the company name, mobile details and email ID, and the admin can also edit and delete their records. Under add in purchase, here the seller details can be added, that is the purchase details, how much quantity of coconut is purchased from which of the seller must be entered here. So here the seller details is chosen, then the date of purchase is chosen, then the coconut type and price of that coconut will be automatically present there, and must enter the quantity which is purchased and what is the dealer's price, what the dealer is offering the price, and the total. On clicking on add, the record will be added, and here from one seller the company can purchase different types of coconuts. So this seller is selling Maipan as well as Badam coconut, and this seller has different dealing price for both the type of coconuts. So once the record is added, it will generate the report, and here this purchase report can be printed and given to the seller. Under view in purchase, here the daily report as well as monthly report, yearly report of the purchases can be viewed, and along with that their reports can be viewed in details, and all the records can also be viewed here. It also has an option to delete the records. Under production, here using the coconuts purchased, what are the products which are produced, that details must be mentioned here. So here coconut used for the production in kg must be mentioned, then what are the number of coconuts used must also be mentioned, then waste in number, so out of the coconuts used, how many coconuts are wasted and how many coconuts are dry. And what is the net processing in number will be automatically generated, and broken piece in kg, so out of the coconuts how many kg of coconut is broken, and what is the net processing of kg, that must be mentioned, and the date of entry must be, date of production must be mentioned, and then what are the products produced using all these utilities, so how much copper is produced, what is the quantity of copper produced, what is the quantity of oil produced, what is the quantity of powder produced. Here selecting the product name, the quantity of production must be mentioned, and what is the quantity of, there are two different types of powders, and what is the quantity of coconut water produced. Once the production quality is added, then clicking on generate report, this will generate the report of utilities used and the products produced. So this can also be printed. On clicking on view, here in production you can view the daily report, monthly report as well as yearly and all records, and here the reports can be viewed in detail also. In stock we can view the what is the stocks present, what are the available stocks of different products can be viewed here under stocks. In ad under sales, here the products purchased by the customers must be entered. So to add the customer details, we must select the customer who purchased the product from the company, and the date of purchase must be selected. Then the products purchased by the customer must be selected here. So the customer can purchase more than one product here. The quantity of the product must be mentioned. After mentioning the quantity, the total price is automatically calculated. So the customer can purchase more than one product, and the company can give discount to different customers. While adding the quantity, we must make sure that the quantity added is not more than the available stock. And the company can give different discounts for different products and for different customers. Once the products are added, it is available to view, and it can also be deleted. And on clicking on generate report, the customer purchase bill will be produced. So the sales report is available, which can be printed and given to the customer for reference. Under view in sales, here the various reports can be viewed. The monthly reports, daily reports, yearly reports, as well as all the records can be viewed here, and it can also be deleted also. Under stocks, now we can see the changes in the available stocks after the sales. Under admin, in add employee, here the admin can add the employees to his company. So here the employee's name must be mentioned, the gender, and must select the employee type, whether he is an employee or whether he is an admin or non-user, that must be entered. Then the login ID and password of the employee must be given here. The admin itself will give employee ID and login ID and the password to the employee, and the password must be confirmed here. The email ID of the employee must be mentioned. Designation of the employee, what is the work he is doing in the company, must be mentioned. Then the salary type, whether it is a daily wages or monthly salary, and the what is the basic salary of the employee, and the address details of the employee must be mentioned here. Then the mobile number of the employee must be entered. Then the status must be selected as active. Then click on submit. On clicking on submit, the details of the employee will be added to the database. Under admin, in view employee, here the admin can view the different employees who work in his company. Under add expense, here the expenses of the day must be mentioned. For what purpose the money is spent from the company must be mentioned here. So what is the detail? So here one detail is machine repair. Then what is the amount spent for that? Then the bill number of that expense and the image of the bill must be inserted, and then the date, on which date the amount was spent, must be mentioned. then must give some description, can give description, it is optional. Then in status you must select whether the amount is spent or already paid or it is pending to pay. So under admin, in view expense, here the admin can view the expense made, and admin can view the yearly expense, monthly expense as well as all records. Under add salary, here the admin must select the employee who is working in his company and must enter the salary of the month, and what is the total number of working days must be mentioned, and then the number of worked day also must be mentioned. So here the employee had to work for 30 days, and the number of days worked by the employee is 25 days. So what is the deduction amount must be entered by the admin, and if there is any bonus or if the employee has done overtime, then that must be mentioned. Then the grand total is automatically generated, and the date of the salary and whether the salary is paid status must be mentioned. Then the salary slip will be generated. This can be printed and given to the employer. Under view salary, here the salary report can be viewed of different employees. The yearly report as well as all records can be viewed here with all the details. This can be edited as well as deleted by the admin. So now let's log out from the admin. Now let us log in as employee. So employee must log in using the login ID and the password which is given to them by the admin. On clicking on login, the admin account panel is available, where here the admin can also reset their password. Under add, admin can add the various details such as coconut type, products, customers, sellers, production details, purchase details, sales details, etc. And under view, the employee can view the different details such as coconut type, product details, coconut customer details, etc. And here the employee doesn't have the options admin and report, where he can view the reports as well as the admin details such as adding the employees. These are not available to the employee. So this is about the project Coconut Processing Inventory System. Thank you for watching. For further queries, kindly visit our website.